We're out in Houston County, Texas. We've been out here for a good week or so now. We've investigated a great deal of cruelty since we've been out here, and we've identified a puppy mill. We worked with the Sheriff's Department to build the case. We currently have a seizure warrant in hand, and we are on our way to serve a warrant. As far as the process goes, once we get on the property, once the warrant's served, DeCarlo will tag all the buildings with the evidence letters. Once that's done, we'll bring the team in, set up the evidence table, bring the truck, and then we'll get started.
Dogs are being housed in inadequate or substandard housing. Animal Rescue Corps is working to bring out these animals. So far they've brought out at least a half dozen cats and maybe a half dozen dogs so far.
A couple of the animals had severe matting all the way down to their skin. Every single one of them has urine scalding, feces matted into their fur. Several of the kittens have severe upper respiratory infection. We actually had to get one out from underneath the house that was starting to go blind from an upper respiratory infection with chronic conjunctivitis.
Excellent.
Good job.
Good job. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
These are the conditions these animals have been living in, and if it weren't for you, our supporters, these are the conditions they would have died in. So please join me in making the promise to these dogs that their suffering has ended, and give as generously as you possibly can.